In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can earn money in 2021 from working inside your home. Hey, this is Vaibhav and you are watching YTVSec, so let's get started. So, how you can earn money in 2021? Before starting this, I just want to tell you that this channel is on cybersecurity and on ethical hacking. So here I will tell you that how you can make money by hacking. So the method by which you can earn money is by finding bugs in the website, means vulnerabilities. So by just finding bugs, you can earn a lot of money, and this is called bug bounty hunting. And the people who do this are called bug bounty hunters. Guys, I have just started bug bounty few months ago and I have earned bounties also. So I am able to tell you that what is bug bounty and how you can earn from it. So as you now know that what is bug bounty, let me explain you more. So what is bug bounty? Bug bounty basically means finding bugs, or you can say vulnerabilities, or in simple words any weakness in the website from where an attacker or hacker can cause damage to the website. After finding bugs, you report to the website and they give you bounty, means money, or sometimes they can give you swag, which means a t-shirt, bottle, or any other stuff. It depends on the program or website you have chosen. Don't go anywhere. At last, I will also tell you that how you can get started in bug bounty and how you can learn things to find bugs and earn some money. Money ranges between $50 to $3,000. It totally depends on the program you have chosen. And after some time, we will talk about some of the programming languages you should learn, you should know if you want to become a hunter. So now let's talk about why companies registered their name on these platforms. So basically all you know that security is the biggest issue in the world of internet. So the companies want their website to be safe and secure as much as possible. Some companies hire their own hackers and pay them, but some companies don't want to hire a hacker because if you hired only few persons, so that's not good because they will only have limited knowledge and experience. So that will not be too helpful to the company. But when companies registered their websites on these platforms like HackerOne and Bugcrowd, don't worry, I will tell you about the platforms to bug hunting at last. So keep watching this video till the end. So when companies registered on these platforms, they got a high number of hackers who will test on their site and will find bugs. So that's a great way to test a site security. So now let's talk about some of the programming languages you should learn if you want to become a hunter. So basically you should have to learn HTML, JavaScript, PHP. These are the most important languages you have to learn, and this is because before going to hunt for a bug, you must know about the working of the websites, how they are built, their structure, how the code works, how HTML and JavaScript plays an important role in websites. Without HTML you can't build a website, and without JavaScript you can't build an interactive website. Who takes input, processes it, and what will happen when the button is clicked, and all that other kind of stuff. And in the end, I will tell you about the platforms where you can go and hunt bugs and earn a lot of money. So guys, let's talk about how we can get started in bug bounty. Before that, if you want to get videos related to bug bounty, so please consider subscribing to my channel. I upload new videos after every 2 or 3 days of recently uploaded videos. So how you can get started in bug bounty? So I have told you that first you have to learn the basics of a website, how it is built and how it's work. So after that you get all the basics. Then it's time to research for some vulnerabilities like XSS, SSRF, CSRF, SQL injection, and mainly all that OWASP top 10. I will provide you the link in the description about the OWASP top 10. You have to learn about the vulnerabilities and how they are exploited, how they work, how much damage they can cause to the company or site, and mainly how the vulnerability is produced. So here are some resources from where you can learn about these vulnerabilities and how you can practice all this stuff. So now let's talk about the resources. So, there are some books which you can read and learn about the weaknesses in the website. I will list some of the books on the screen. Here are some YouTube channels from where you can learn more stuff about bug bounty. Channels like Spin the Hack if you know Hindi, or Stock, best channel for bug hunters, or Farah Hawa or Insider PhD. Guys, if you want to know more about hacking, how we can learn hacking, then there is a video in the I button. Go and check that out after this video. And then there's a website called Portsfigure where you can go learn about vulnerabilities, and Portsfigure also has virtual labs from where you can practice your skills. Or there are some websites like DVWA, Diamond Labeled Web Application, and BWAP which you can install on your personal computer and practice your skills. Now finally, let's talk about the platforms. So there are many platforms like HackerOne, Bugcrowd, Integrity Snack, Open Bug Bounty. These are the platforms which helps you connect with the company website and allow you to test on it to find bugs and report to the company and get money. So guys, that's all. If you want to know more about bug bounty and practical, then tell me in the comment section, and also tell me how you like the video or any kind of suggestions. So friends, if you want to know more about cybersecurity, hacking or bug bounty, then you should subscribe to my channel. So guys, if you want to know the ways by which you can hack social media account or Wi-Fi, so watch any of these videos. So till the end, keep learning and practicing. Thanks for watching.